The Alameda County Fire Department is excited to be a part of this Sound the Alarm event. The collaboration between the Red Cross, ACFD Reserves, and other organizations help get the word out to the communities that smoke alarms can help save lives.
Going out into communities and canvassing large communities and then going into their homes by appointment and fully equipping their homes with free, and I do understate free, smoke alarms. In these last 10 years, you don't have to replace the batteries in these. More importantly, we do share with the residents. Do you have an escape plan? Do you have ways to get out in less than 2 minutes? Do you know what it means when smoke alarms go off, that you have less than 2 minutes to get out in order to save your life? And to date, we've installed over 3 million smoke alarms in homes. These shares with residents has to this date saved over 2,200 lives. And we continue this program on a regular basis.